Welcome back to another Crawl Space Encounters. Got ourselves another one here. Let's check it out. Alright. Well, this crawl space door is pretty hard to open. I got a sump pump right here at the entrance. Yeah, you guys gotta be careful when you get into these. You never know where they decide to put the well. Not too smart to put one right there. Oh, somebody left a tape measure here. I want to thank you guys for, let me get my other glove on real quick, for hanging out with me, making this channel grow, and I appreciate you all. Just trying to find some things in crawl spaces and most homeowners aren't aware is happening. Alright, which way do we go? Looks like an old cast iron drain pipe. Absolutely. Look at that. Got all new piping done. I'm sure there was a reason for that. Alright, we're gonna go this way. It's pretty cold outside. These videos are gonna get real interesting soon. We got about 4 or 5 inches of rain coming here. I think tomorrow. These crawl spaces are gonna get mangled. Alright, so we got a vapor barrier here. Looks like it might have been here for a little bit. It's not too bad. So that's dried up water stains. And that might have been probably the reason why they had the piping done here. Alright, so here, I'm facing the front of the house. Got some wires coming into the crawl space from the outside. Honestly, I have no idea what that is. Let me know in the comments. Looks like somebody left some work here. Some kind of electrical work. Huh. Alright. Oof, this is gonna get tight up here. Finding a lot of interesting things. I just heard the heater go on. Got an old little skeleton there. This is gonna be a tight squeeze. All right. Well, I kind of took off a little bit of my holiday weight. Not all of it. Pretty tough to get around. Some of these crawl spaces. All right. So you can see some mineral deposit there from the water entering. Definitely find out tomorrow. Yeah, we got a pier here, leaning a little Not a bad crawl space. You can tell they had a lot of plumbing work done. Probably had a leak. Perhaps a bathroom remodel job. Just not a fan of a lot of contractors come down here and they just leave their stuff behind. Construction debris. Now, they connect some of the old pipe to the new piping here. I'm not a plumber, so I couldn't tell you if that's right or wrong. All I do is come into crawl spaces and let you folks decide what you think. I know somebody caught me in one of my last videos. I actually called a floor joist a floor rafter. Rightfully so. He called me out on it, and I appreciate that. These are floor joists down here, and rafters are on the roof. So when you're crawling in these houses and you're trying to figure out if there's anything down here that you don't feel like seeing, big old snake, possums, whatever it may be, it's kind of hard to keep the conversation rolling. Here's another connecting piece there. Cast iron to the new PVC. But once again, they just left all the debris here. I'm not sure if even recycling places will take that on for you. If you can get a few bucks for all that, take it with you, but I'm not sure. Once again, so I just basically made a whole circle around this place. This wood is original 2x. Hard as a rock, I'm sure. Try using a nail gun on one of these rafters. God, that is solid. This is what we want. We want these houses to get solid like this. Yeah, they definitely had some kind of a moisture problem. Or probably just when they drained the lines, who knows. They definitely had some workers down here. There's another connection. You folks let me know what you think on these PVC and cast iron connections. If you should suggest telling the homeowners to change it all out, or do you piece it in? Obviously, this cast iron is still dripping water. So in this case, I think they should have probably just went ahead and changed it all out. I mean, they made it right to there. I don't know. Did they cut corners here? Because obviously, we still got a little leak. Huh. Look at that rust. That mineral deposit. I hear the HVAC system over here. I just can't get to the other side of that. Alright, so let's get over here. Hang tight, folks. I gotta hurdle over this thing. Alright, so it looks like they did some kind of bathroom remodel here. I always believe that if you're going to go back with any kind of wood in a crawl space, use pressure treated lumber just so that the moisture doesn't mess with it, you know. Yeah, whoever did this job did the job, left all their debris down here. Messy workers. Not a fan. Left a nice piece of board down here, 2x8, about a 3-foot piece. You know how much a 2x8 by 3 foot costs these days? I'm sure you can use that for something. Wow, what a mess. I just left a mess down here. So it looks like they connected the cast iron to the PVC. I don't know. A lot of people probably have different ideas, recommendations. Let me know. Educate me a little bit here on this. Do you suggest cast iron to PVC, or do you just change it all? I guess depending on the wallet, not too sure. Here we go, we circled back. It's those wires we saw earlier. Let's cross my smells. Here's our HVAC. Let's take a look at this guy. Looks like an older unit. It's running. Looks like it does condensate during the summer months. It is nice and warm down here, so it's probably leaking out some on some of this duct line. Got the breaker box there. Got some electrical lines here exposed. Too sure if that's cool or not. If you're an electrician, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about that. I am definitely chicken shit when it comes to electricity. I've been zapped before when I was a kid, and I'll never forget it. Didn't feel good. Looks like some animal turd. I just dropped all the insulation and split, man. Come on, guys, clean up your mess. I know the homeowners don't have to eat down here, but damn. Take some pride in your work. Folks, I'm not an expert in everything. I do know a little bit about this and that. But that's why I make these videos. A lot of these things, I see a lot of things that are extremely questionable. I kind of let you guys decide what you think. You know, like busting that pier to run that pipe. I don't think that's a good idea. That pier is structural. You don't want to cut, break anything that's structural. I think they do make these pipes with all different kind of angles. But that is, looks like that's the new main they put in. And they hooked it right up to this guy. For all you plumbers out there, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about some of the stuff we saw. Electricians, let me know what you think about that wire over there. I don't know what that is. Do see some funky stuff here. Alright. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I know you guys have been commenting. We've been seeing some stuff together. Everybody's been giving their opinion on what they feel and think about what's happening in some of these crawl spaces. But we'll catch you on the next one. Got some good ones coming here soon. You folks have a good one and be safe. All right. You know what? Let's go ahead and rest this down a little bit here. I want to see the inside of this pipe, because you don't get to see the inside of these cast iron pipes too much. These older homes, hang tight now. These older homes, wow. Look at that. That's where the water's coming out. I guess that's how it all gets clogged up. Let's take a look at this one over here. Yeah, look at that. They do get clogged up, huh? Whew. That guy's been around for God knows how long. Well, since they built the house probably in the 70s. Huh. All right, well, I'll catch you in the next one.